And we're back with another video, guys. Your boy Alkezan, and I'm here with
Casey
and
Ozozem.
Alright, so guys, as you can see, guys, my wing. Sabato buenda kude, guys. Anzi popped and Anita. Murgo tichi.
I saw this one coming.
Mira, anarujambira vanti. Because sati zvokuestirwa zvongebronzi chakazvocha. Zvazvo zvemari.
Pane payamboti, he's a brother.
So this means that you
I got from brother.
Teach us popped in.
Akasunda.
Okay.
Brother
Okay.
Sunding.
Popped in. So what really happened? My technique.
Apa vike zvekumhanya.
Oh, it's a brother.
Not an easy transition. It's not an easy transition. But shout out to you, Popped in. You're making us proud.
Bata, please.
Anita Jackson.
Yeah.
Alola apa hombe.
This is Pop 10 X. So it's Pop 10 and Anita Jackson. More
Zuroti, more laugh,
More everything.
My name is statement yakazochakwa Ranzi, I'm high on your love. Something before. Play a song. Ichimix my song. But warikubata game, guys. These guys are dropping bangers after bangers. But they're not missing. That's the thing. They're not missing. It's like, hey, let's hear this one. It's also trending, but let's see if it's like.
Wait. So was this shot on there like a vacation? What was this?
Vacation.
It was a vacation. Then they decided, yo, babes, let's do a music video.
Isaiah.
Okay.
Shoot that shot.
Let's shoot that shot.
Okay.
What's the things?
Do you think they shot any other movies before this?
Hey, what do you want? Please like, share, subscribe. Please like, share, subscribe, and let's get straight into the video. Let's get it.
Baby, if I know mommy, undenguri kuona somebody.
Nai baby, je kugeza iji jakambo baby. I know your daddy, I'm sure kuona somebody. You gon' say you want more.
You gon' say you want more. You gon' say you want more.
Harmonization.
Really sweet.
My relationship goals.
Really sweet. How do you baby not gonna remember?
It's not like a must.
But
Even as long as she can cook good, I don't mind.
Okay.
but I like the way the he does the first verse, she does the second one. What
Repertoire kuti wa.
Yeah, wow.
Yes, together.
Sunding the things
Together.
yeah.
More. You gon' say you want more. Shoda kana tese chaka wirirana. Chiwerure kana chaka wirirana. Tino shanda minana. Kana tika toko wirirana. Shoda chaka wirirana. Chiwerure kana chaka wirirana. Tino shanda minana. Kana tika toko wirirana. You gon' say you want more. We gon' spend time when them want to spend up. We gon' do the thing when you say you want up. See my gun, make you say commando. See my touch, where you ready for? Animal love, call me elephant. Say you want knock, I will open doors. Give me one soft till you on the floor. My baby, je put your nice, you talk about baby.
mfano mami unenguri kuona somebody.
Dai baby, j'ai kugeza iji jakambo baby. Ana your daddy, I'm sure kuona somebody.
Sorry guys.
But guys, but ringende about the Macapogos. And the song is also fire.
Yeah, it's fine.
The song is also fire. And do like a routine. Like I said, these guys are not missing. Because when it comes to verse, pop to now face up. That all I need.
And it's a rock hook. Rock melody.
Hook is catchy. Now
Joshi.
It's romance.
What is romance?
Cut. Auntie.
Under the light of 1,000 stars. Yeah.
Deja vu.
It's where I'll find your heart. You go be me dada, high cocaina. In a Casablanca, I'll be your alabina. Cause you got the keys, boy.
She Jamaican wave.
Go, Kaka. Balabina.
Cocaina.
Aladina.
Pull.
I'll find your heart. You go be me dada, high cocaina. In a Casablanca, I'll be your alabina. Cause you got the keys, boy, you the sima. Love Kaka's all and you are me winner. You gon' say one more.
You gon' say you want more. You gon' say you want more. You gon' say you want more.
Shuda kana tese taka wirirana, chiwerure kana taka wirirana. Tino shana minana, kana tika tongo wirirana.
Fire upon the thing.
Guys. Paul, what do you call when they start singing together?
Harmonization.
Never played the song easy. I have played the song easy.
Inanguka ndutongoda womoyo.
Alive. Never stop.
But even just emoji.
No, I'm not more everything. You know, more love.
More love, more. More ito tutuma kariba trip. Ito tutuma kariba trips. Tauda next one kudaenda pa Vic Falls. Mari panyanga, chichi. But challenging you pop tan underneath. You want more.
Yeah.
Want more of these duets.
But guys, these guys are controlling the music industry.
Yeah, they are.
The music
They are trained.
Our Rima.
No need to move this up.
Our Rima. Yeah.
Azimba, eh? But in zones, man.
Look at
Jesus, get to know more, but you do know more.
But even Joe, last time was
Last time, did you?
Kutu ndo amwa.
One day, but is it to know it?
Yeah, to but tunetse mazwano ga ndiuta. Yeah, bye.
Good tense, good rough,
Itori match made in heaven, but
good ref.
But isusu tusanga nemashurugu ma streets.
Anokama tene bemba,
Bemba moyo wangu
ni moyo wangu,
bemba moyo wangu.
Lockdown bonzi corona lafu zeze.
Ina moyo wangu anzone kubembwa mfesi wanga.
Sa mushurugu. Korokosa.
Watu wana kweja ndo baba. Moyo wangu ndani. Ndo damu, but shout out Pop 10
Come on.
mana chichazomboita story time nombonyatsomboudza
I like it.
if you want a story time about all my heartaches comment down below and we'll arrange something but
but for the song for the song I actually read the song.
Yeah.
Song about it. I like the song. I like the song. I like the collab.
Yeah, the collab.
Because he popped and down but Bunzo di Chimbo. That's what I need.
wakapindura pachikuru but
wapita pachikuru
Yeah,
but
okay.
wango accomplish off with it. Yeah, but we like it. Please, we actually want more songs like this, more bangers. I believe.
wait I've got a question. What other Zim artist relationship do you think would be fire? Random Zim artists, who do you think would, if these two got together they'd be fire? Who do you think? I besides
Jima na Nati.
Anatu. Inobodera ireshi yeso ndezo.
Pautiro.
But some good as right.
That's it for the video, guys. Please make sure to like, share, subscribe. It's your boy Alkezan and I'm here with
Casey
and the boy.
Also Zim.
Yes, sir.